Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Destroy All Humans game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you have logged into your account, you will end up within the store page. From here, in order to download the game, just click on the search box and now type in Destroy All Humans to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you will have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by the billing information, and once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the Destroy All Humans game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Destroy All Humans PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.